With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Our question is, which of the following products is formed in Lederer-Manasse reaction? Okay, so Lederer-Manasse reaction is defined as the condensation of phenol with formaldehyde in the presence of acid or base. It gives ortho hydroxybenzyl alcohol as minor product and para hydroxybenzyl alcohol as the major product. Okay, let us see the reaction. Okay, here phenol, this is phenol, react with formaldehyde, which is HC double bond single bond H in the presence of sodium hydroxide. It will give OH, ortho hydroxy alcohol plus para alcohol as the major product. Okay, this reaction can occur in acidic medium as well as in alkali medium. Let us see the mechanism for this reaction. First, see the acid catalyzed mechanism. In the first step, formaldehyde is treated with acidic H positive, it forms carbocation. Okay, let us see here CH2 double bond O plus H positive, it will form CH2 positive OH. This is first step. In second step, the formed compound with the carbocation is treated with phenol, which is OH. It contains lone pair. This and this. This lone pair shift this side and it will go this side, plus CH2 positive and OH, and it will form this compound, which is this here double bond OH positive and here H and here CH2OH. Now this will shift in H positive, it will shift this side and this will go this side here and it will form para hydroxybenzyl alcohol. Here CH2OH. Okay, this is the major product. Since carbon is electron deficient, it attracts electron from phenol and conjugation in phenol occur due to lone pair of oxygen here. Okay, so the acid catalyzed mechanism of this is the acid catalyzed mechanism. Let us see base catalyzed mechanism. Base catalyzed mechanism. Here phenol in the presence of base, it will form phenoxide ion, which is O negative here. Phenol is treated with base which form phenoxide ion. Now in next step, when this phenoxide ion is treated with formaldehyde, it substitutes formyl ion at para position. Here O negative and here this here resonance will take place. Here this side it will shift this side and it will C double bond OH and this bond attack on carbon type side and it will shift this side and it will form this product. Here double bond O, here CH2 O negative and here H. New resonance take place here and the final product is formed. Here this side, this shift this side, this is this side and it will shift this side and it will form here O negative, this, here CH2, OH. Now in an H positive will attack and it will form para-hydroxy benzyl alcohol. Here CH2, OH. This is para-hydroxy benzyl alcohol. Okay, because in orthos repulsion will take place, so that's why it will form minor. So from here we can say that orthocresol, this is not correct because it is OH and this is benzene ring and here CH3. This is not correct. Let us see option 2, orthohydroxybenzyl alcohol. So option 2 is the correct answer of this question. So orthohydroxybenzyl alcohol will form. Okay. Let us see third, which is benzyl alcohol. This is also not correct because it is benzyl alcohol is this compound CH2OH. And fourth is resorcinol. This is also not correct because it is resorcinol is this OH and here this is OH. So from here we can say that option 2 is the correct answer of this question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.